Hello everybody, this is Sanad and welcome to my channel where only you have the power to build your world. In today's video, we're going to be talking about 5 things that you should know before you start your YouTube channel. If you don't want to be heartbroken, you can exit out right now. This is going to be some hard truth that everybody should know that wants to start a YouTube channel. So if you have plans on starting a YouTube channel, you gotta watch this video. But before we get into it, make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel, and let's get into it. So the first thing that you should know before you start your YouTube channel is do not expect immediate results. A lot of people that start their YouTube channels, they think about making a ton of money, becoming a YouTube sensation, becoming famous, getting a ton of subscribers. They expect this to be immediate. And the hard truth is, this takes a ton of hard work, a ton of time, a ton of dedication, a ton of videos, a ton of marketing, pretty much a ton of work. Do not expect to make 1 or 2 videos, share it on your Facebook page, and expect to make a ton of money and to gain thousands of subscribers. This will not happen. A lot of people that make YouTube channels, they upload 1 or 2 videos, and then those videos, they get a couple of views, maybe 1 or 2 subscribers, and that's it. A lot of people expect immediate results, immediate profit, immediate fame, all off of 1 or 2 videos. This rarely happens. But the hard truth is, you're going to have to put in months and months of work, sometimes even years of hard work, creating videos, editing videos, promoting your channel, promoting pretty much your content, editing, lighting, audio, visual design, everything. You're going to have to do all of this for you to become a successful YouTuber. This is a business at the end of the day, and a lot of people want to be in this business. Being a YouTuber, it is cutthroat. It is hard work. It is pretty much like owning your own business. You have to treat it as such. There's competition. Everybody these days wants to make money online, wants to become a YouTuber, wants to have 1 million subscribers and millions of views. But nobody wants to put in the hard work. There's a small number of people that actually put in the work, that actually grind for months or even years to achieve their business, to achieve their dream of becoming a YouTuber. To see results on YouTube, it can take months and sometimes even years for you to actually turn a profit and to actually start getting paid from the hard work that you are putting in. Just like any other business, it takes time and energy to see results. Second thing that you need to know is do not jump from topic to topic. A lot of people that just created their YouTube channel or they are very new to YouTube, they start jumping from topic to topic. One day they make a video about doing makeup. Next day they make a video about making money online. Next day they make a video about riding a bicycle. They are all over the place. And this makes it very, very difficult for your subscribers to pretty much follow your channel. A lot of people will subscribe to your channel because you do makeup videos, and they expect you to make more videos about makeup. But if you switch from a topic to a different topic to a different topic, you will lose your audience, you will lose your core support on your channel. For example, you started doing makeup videos, and then a week or 2 later, you start doing videos about riding a bicycle or investing in real estate. Your core audience will pretty much be completely confused and completely lost because they have subscribed to a channel that they expected to teach them how to do makeup. Now you're uploading videos on riding bicycles or investing in real estate or something completely different that these people that subscribe to you in the first place have no interest in. So you gotta pick one specific niche and stick with it. Pretty much create a ton of content on your specific niche and you will become successful. You will have a core audience that will pretty much support all your videos that you upload, and it'll be a win-win situation. Because if you have an audience that is loyal and they expect you to make one specific type of content and you provide that content to them, you're going to have a very positive experience. You're going to have a very loyal base that's going to watch all your videos, that's going to share your content, subscribe to your channel, leave comments, be engaged in your content. This is very, very important. You want to have an audience that pretty much follows you for the things that you do. This is a win-win situation for everybody, simply because you're going to be creating videos and content that will be beneficial to your audience. And in return, your audience will support you. They'll be very loyal. They pretty much will help you grow even bigger on YouTube. The third thing that I want you to know before you start your YouTube channel is you cannot be lazy. When starting a YouTube channel, like I said before, it is a business. You cannot start any business and be lazy and not put any work in it. When it comes to YouTube, you have to be energetic. You have to have energy. You have to be dedicated to your audience. You have to pretty much create content for them. And in this case, when I talk about laziness, it is laziness towards your audience. Your audience is pretty much your core support when it comes to your YouTube channel. So if they leave a comment on your video, if they ask a question, if they have a tip or anything, they leave it in the comment, you have to be engaged. Like, for all the comments that are left on my videos, down below, if somebody leaves me a comment, I follow up on every single comment. If they ask me a question, I do my best to answer it. If they need advice from the video that I have uploaded, I answer every question. I engage with my audience. I pretty much try to be as helpful as I possibly can. This way, you are growing your audience, you're building trust, and in return, you are growing your channel. But if you're lazy and you don't answer comments, you don't engage with your core audience, it'll be very, very difficult to grow your channel. So before you start your channel, you have to know that you have to be engaged. Being a YouTuber is not like you just upload videos and then hide in your little dungeon. You have to engage with your audience. This will help your channel grow tremendously, and it will help you build an audience that truly follows your content and your videos. The fourth thing that you need to know before you start your YouTube journey, your YouTube channel, pretty much before you decide you want to become a YouTuber, you have to stop comparing yourself to other YouTube channels. There are YouTubers that have been doing YouTube for 5-10 years, that have perfected the craft of making videos, of engaging with their audience, pretty much are professional YouTubers. And when you first start your YouTube channel, chances are you're going to be looking at these channels. You're going to be constantly comparing your channel to their channel. This can be very, very detrimental. This will pretty much be very discouraging, especially when you upload a video when you're first starting out and your video gets 10 views, 20 views, you got 3 or 4 subscribers, and then you look at this channel that's been out for 5-10 years that has 2-3 million subscribers, and then every time the person uploads they get millions and millions of views, and you're constantly comparing yourself to that channel. It will be very, very difficult to grow your channel because you're constantly comparing yourself, constantly putting yourself down every time you see your videos not growing, not reaching the audience that you expect. Comparing yourself to other YouTube channels can be beneficial in some ways, but a lot of young YouTubers that start out on YouTube, they compare it in a negative way. This can be very detrimental. Just know your hard work will pay off, and you do not need to compare yourself with other YouTubers. Focus on your niche, focus on your audience, focus on your market, and your channel will grow. And now the final thing that you should know before you start your YouTube channel or your road to becoming a famous YouTuber that makes a ton of money is do not waste time on pointless stuff. When new YouTubers start their channels and they start making videos, a lot of time they focus on stuff that does not even matter. When you first create a channel, you should focus on creating good content and being consistent. One of the best ways to grow as a YouTuber is being consistent. If you upload videos every week or 3 videos a week or a video every single day, make sure you are consistent and you are not wasting time on pointless things. A lot of people will complain like, oh man, I can't make a video with this camera. This camera is not good. I need a better camera. But they have a phone in their hand that can create videos that are good quality. You do not have to have perfect quality on every single video. Especially when you're starting out, your main concern should be creating great content. The video, the sound quality, the lighting, the background, pretty much all that stuff matters. But when you're starting out, content should be your key thing. Do not worry about every single imperfection and focus on the overall picture and the overall growth of your channel. And the key is great content that is being put out constantly. Don't get me wrong, you do have to improve your sound quality, your lighting, your thumbnails, all that stuff. But all that stuff is learned through the process. So make sure you take all 5 things into consideration. And remember, YouTube is a business and you need to treat it as such. It takes a ton of work, ton of time, ton of energy, but the rewards that you will reap after will be amazing. You will be able to pretty much live the life of your dreams. You'll be able to pretty much get sponsorships, get money from YouTube, from affiliate marketing. The potential is unlimited. There's so much potential on YouTube and there's enough for everybody. So make sure you get your slice of the pie. Make sure you put in the hard work, the hard dedication, the time, the effort, the energy to achieve your success story on YouTube and to become a successful YouTuber. It is 100% possible for you to do it. All you have to do is grind, and the results will come. All right, everybody, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it on your Facebook, share it wherever, as long as you share it. And as always, if you have any questions, drop them in the comment box below. And see you in the next video. Peace out.